Welcome to the PIAA training module for the submission and exchange of PIAA cooperative sponsorship applications. This would include requests for approval of a new cooperative sponsorship, a modification to an existing cooperative sponsorship, or a request of termination. My name is Melissa Mertz, and I'm the Associate Executive Director of the PIAA. Please note we are here at the PIAA website at www.piaa.org. Athletic administrators will be required to log in, which can be accessed in the top right-hand portion of the website. Select the Login button to start the process. On the Sign In page, please note that the login interface has now been simplified to select your role in accessing the PIAA website. By selecting the school login, you will be required to enter your school access code. If you do not have this access code, please feel free to contact the PIAA office at 717-697-0374, and we will be happy to assist you. Upon logging in today, you will see that I am registered as Lancaster Country Day School. Under the Account Tools, please take note of all the options that are available to you. For today's exercise, we are going to select the new feature, Co-op Management. After clicking on the Co-op Management tab, the website will direct you to the Co-op Management home screen for your school. This area is the only area on the website where requests for cooperative sponsorships will be located. They will no longer be available for access under the Form section. Our first exercise will demonstrate how you can complete a request for cooperative sponsorship approval through the website. Your next step will be to select Create Request. Please note, the host school must be the school to initiate this process so that the system correctly identifies the host and guest schools. After selecting the tab, a new screen now requires the individual to select your role within the school. This will make completion of the process simpler, as fields will be auto-populated for you based upon your selection, as you will see on the next screen. To begin the document submission process, select the sport or sports you wish to begin a co-op in. If there is more than one sport, simply left-click in the text box after the first sport and the drop-down menu will appear again. The next step is to identify the other school or schools participating in the cooperative sponsorship. Again, you may select more than one school by following the same steps as listed above. The final steps will be to select the start and end date of the cooperative agreement. After selecting the start date, you will need to either choose a determined year the co-op will terminate, or you may select the option of Until Terminated, which provides flexibility to terminate at any time, as long as the agreement has been in place for a 2-year cycle. Once you have completed the required fields, you may now review your application. This should provide a summary of the co-op request being submitted. Please note that if the co-op is approved by the Board of Directors, the schools will each be invoiced according to the fee schedule for cooperative sponsorship of a sport. If you are satisfied with your request, you will select Submit. Upon submission, confirmation of the submission will be available on the screen. You may access this information at all times by clicking Go Back and selecting the information icon next to the submission. The status will change based upon the district opening the document. In addition, you will receive email confirmation of your request. Our next training module will be either to modify or terminate an existing cooperative sponsorship agreement. From the main co-op screen, identify the co-op you wish to terminate or modify from the list of current co-ops. Select the information button to the right. You will be directed to a new screen in which you will have the options of adding a school to an existing co-op, adding a sport to an existing co-op, or terminating an existing co-op. The steps for each of these actions will be the same. After selecting your action, you can review your request and then confirm your request. This completes the training module for the submission of cooperative sponsorship of sport agreements. Thank you for your attention today.